Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.68. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 3.07%. This translates to an average return of 0.51% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.8% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 31.41% to negative 15.8%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 6.92% and 21.65% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $448.35 and $585.99. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The QQQ ETF price gained 1.31% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from 475.47 to 481.68. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.34%, with a day low at 480.74 and a day high of 487.18. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.44% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $18.80 billion. It is important to note that falling volume with rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $402.39. Currently, the price is 10.93%, or 59.12 below the 52-week high of 540.80, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ ETF, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, is currently navigating a challenging landscape marked by a Nasdaq bear market. This index houses major players often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, serving as a crucial indicator for technology and tech-adjacent sectors. Despite the ongoing difficulties, historical evidence suggests that now could be an opportune time for investment, although caution is warranted. Recent chip export restrictions imposed by the administration have negatively impacted key tech stocks like Advanced Micro Devices and Nvidia, leading to significant year-to-date losses for major chip exchange-traded funds. This regulatory environment adds pressure, potentially leading to price volatility in QQQ in the short term. Interestingly, while QQQ has faced headwinds, its 5-year annualized return stands impressively at 20.5%. This speaks to its long-term growth potential, despite the current market correction that has created a buying opportunity for long-term investors. While fears regarding tariffs have seen a cooling effect, uncertainty remains prevalent as investors await earnings reports from major tech companies. Furthermore, emerging sectors like communication services present additional avenues of growth that could further bolster QQQ's performance in the long run. Therefore, while short-term fluctuations are likely, the long-term outlook appears promising if investors brace for the inherent volatility in the tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned QQQ a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned QQQ an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative grade with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal, indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downward, support is expected at 471.37 cents and 464.10 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and it has since risen by 15.77%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even while prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. A buy signal has been generated. Pivots indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 3 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $466, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund generally experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $6.44 between its high and low, representing 1.34%. For the past week, the ETF's daily average volatility has been 1.90%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either diminished expectations for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $488.20. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $466. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $463.29, reflecting a decrease of 3.82%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook. Even though the ETF is currently in a downward trend, we believe that the present level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near term. We have revised our assessment of this ETF since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.52, starting at $483.20. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.